Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
The Supreme Court in 2012 had passed an order that all the schools in all the states and union territories have to have separate toilets for girl students. The Supreme Court had directed the Union of India to monitor these developments and file compliance report. In a recent compliance report filed by Union of India, it has been informed to the Supreme Court that Goa has 100% compliance of that order, and all the school, be it government, be it private or government aided schools, all schools in the state of Goa have separate toilets for the student girls. The Union of India has also informed that other than Goa, Delhi, Chandigarh and Puducherry have separate toilet facility for girls. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.